Greetings! In this tutorial, we will show you how to draw a simple flourish in Inkscape. Let's get started. Select the pencil tool. Check that the smoothing is set between 55 and 60. Draw a curved line as shown. Duplicate the curved line by pressing Ctrl and D, or right-click and select Duplicate. Align the two curved lines using the Align and Distribute tab. Ensure that the relative to the box is set to the first selected. Duplicate the curved line. Flip using the Object Vertical Flip tool. Make the line horizontal by using the Object Rotate tool. Duplicate the curved line. Flip using the Object Vertical Flip tool. Close the two curved lines by joining the nodes at each end. Click on the Node tool. Scroll over the two nodes that must be joined, and choose the Join Selected Nodes tool. Do the same for the opposite end of the object. Create a motif by using the pencil tool with the triangle in shape. Add an oval with the Ellipse tool. Align, group and duplicate the motif shapes. Using the flip tools, arrange the motif shapes around the flourish as required. Now, use the object to make happy variations. Duplicate the object and then duplicate the curved lines. Align the objects. And, wowza boy! You have a variation of the original. Make a jeweled effect. Fill the spaces with your fave colors and use the bevel filter with the Smart Jelly filter. Insert the Flourish divider into your documents and designs. Oh, and thank you for watching. We hope this helped you with your journey.